Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Dell laptop. To this, first we'll need to click on the Wi-Fi sign, sound and battery in the bottom right corner of a screen. Then click on the arrow next to the Wi-Fi right here. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled like I have it right there. Then we can select the Wi-Fi network that we want to connect with. Select connect, enter the password for the network if the network actually have it. In this case we do, so we need to enter the password. After that, we're successfully connected with that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.